First, the news headlines. Incessant rainfall triggers landslides along National Highway 37. Over 100 goods-laden trucks stranded. And rainy season adds to woes of internally displaced persons at 𝐬𝐸𝐸 High School Relief Camp. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐋𝐢𝐯 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Incessant pre-monsoon rainfall over the last 2 days triggered landslides blocking a significant stretch of National Highway 37, the Imphal-Silchar route via 𝐺𝐸𝐸 district headquarters in Manipur, officials said. The Nungdalal areas on National Highway 37 situated in Noni district witnessed disruption in traffic flow, leaving approximately 100 laden trucks stranded since this morning. Responding swiftly, a team from the Noni district administration rushed to the landslide-affected sites, initiating debris clearance operations employing heavy machinery. Erratic power supply plagues Noni district headquarters amid continuous light to heavy rainfall across Manipur for the past 2 days, with the meteorological department forecasting further precipitation until Sunday. Meanwhile, Indian Meteorological Department IMD has forecast rainfall with isolated thunderstorm activity likely over northeast and adjoining East India till Sunday. It said that isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall is also very likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim and Nagaland for the next 2 days. Hailstorm activity is likely at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal today. Met Department further said that hot and humid weather will continue till today over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam and Kerala. It said there will be no significant change in minimum temperatures over most parts of North India during next 5 days. Failed to arrive at any solution for the last 9 to 10 months. The living conditions of 243 IDPs belonging to 70 families of 𝐬𝐸𝐸 Waroi who are taking shelter at 𝐬𝐸𝐸 High School Relief Camp in Bishnupur has immensely worsened due to the incessant rains that lashed the state for the past 2 days. An IDP at the relief camp El Thasna shared their grievances to the Northeast Window News. She said that they had no bed to sleep on and had been sleeping on the floor all this while. But since beginning of rain season, the moisture from the ground has begun tearing their mattress. As such, she appealed to the authority concerned to at least provide them with wooden boards to make beds, or else their conditions will only deteriorate, she lamented. Thasna continued that the boarding schools will ask them to pick up their children after their exams conclude. However, they have no money to pay the boarding fees. Earlier, they used to earn by making handicraft products, but the sales too have now drastically dropped. She further urged the government to deploy state and central forces in strife-torn areas and allow the IDPs to return to their homes as soon as possible.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯥꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯖꯕ ꯀꯧꯅꯥ ꯂꯣꯟꯕ ꯐꯤ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯁꯥꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯕꯨꯀꯜ ꯕꯨꯛ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯪ ꯃꯨꯀꯥ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Assam Rifles along with Nalan Police Beat Post recovered 1,03,97,500 rupees case from general area Moreland and apprehended 3 individuals yesterday. In another operations, Assam Rifles recovered 136 cases of foreign origin beer worth 6.52 lakh rupees from 𝐍𝐶𝐰𝐬. According to a police report, the consignment and apprehended individuals were handed over to Nalan Police Beat Post Mizoram for further legal proceedings. Simultaneously, the other operations was conducted by Assam Rifles and Customs Preventive Force 𝐶𝐰𝐬, wherein 136 cases of foreign origin beer have been handed over to Customs Preventive Force 𝐶𝐰𝐬. In yet another successful effort, Assam Rifles and 𝐶𝐰𝐬 Police recovered methamphetamine tablets and 218 grams of heroin number 4, estimated to be worth rupees 35 crore in the general area of Dungklang, 𝐶𝐰𝐬 districts in Mizoram. The operations was conducted by a joint team of Assam Rifles and 𝐶𝐰𝐬 Police based on specific information. The entire consignment of methamphetamine tablets and heroin number 4 worth 35 crore 19 lakh 10,000 rupees was recovered and handed over to the 𝐶𝐰𝐬 Police Station for further legal proceedings. Detonations of 4 bombs detected by security forces created panic in Moreh town yesterday. The bombs were found by security forces in Moreh Ward number 4 and Monong Veng and detonated safely last afternoon. People in the border town got panic on hearing the explosions, but later realized that they were detonated by bomb experts of 5 Assam Rifles. The 4 bombs include 1 blind mortar bomb and 3 IEDs. Upon receiving the information, Assam Rifles bomb disposal experts from the 5th Assam Rifles swiftly disposed of the unexploded IEDs with the assistance of local police and community members. It may be mentioned that state security forces in Moreh had been on the target of Kuki militants. Federations of Civil Society Organization FOX has launched drive against doing businesses with 𝐶𝐤𝐾 community. FOX spokesperson Neris Mangang in a press release announced the launching of the drive against trading with the 𝐶𝐤𝐾 community in the valley area. It said there have been reports of some indigenous communities residing in Moreh town of Tengnopal district and along Kamjong district doing businesses with 𝐶𝐤𝐾 people to bring in various goods into the state. This is indirectly helping the 𝐶𝐤𝐾 who are trying to disintegrate Manipur. It further emphasized the need for considering the repercussions of such trade, aiding that many local youths and people are facing hardships due to the ongoing conflict. It further called for collective actions and cooperations from the local clubs and Merapaibi to stop such businesses immediately and not sell out the state for some meager amount of money. Let's take a quick break.
Mega Minds Coaching Institute for competitive exams. Endorsed and guided by successful IAS, MCS and rankers. ZFC General Foundation course for SSC, Banking, UPSC and MPSC. Now at Thoupal. Mega Minds, empowering the aspirants.
Welcome you all to Unapa School Channel in Far East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko noy hingimasing thamagi manungda control tawba ngamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nuwaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles saibadi nungsandabasu chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagathanba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna lain Germany. Hakjamna sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯃꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯦꯇꯤꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯌꯥꯡꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯔꯣꯗ opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Introducing a new challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle, sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Paula Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. District Legal Services Authority, Chandal, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, organized a one-day legal awareness program on Juvenile Justice, Care and Protections of Children Act 2015 at Analon Christian Institute Higher Secondary School, Lambung in Chandal District today. The program began with a welcome speech by Vice Principal ACI Higher Secondary School, L. Warngam, followed by a keynote address by Secretary DLSA Chandal Masana E. Panmai. The DLSA gave an introductions on the legal services institutions constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. She further highlighted the Section 12 of the Legal Services Act and the procedures for availing legal aid and assistance from the legal services institutions. General Secretary, All Tribal Lawyers Association, Manipur, Kelter Khampa, spoke as the research persons during the program. The research person briefed on the importance of law in a society and types of child protection acts in the country. He further gave a brief note on how the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protections of Children Act 2015 came into being and how it prevents child exploitations or child harassment. He also spoke about the function of a Child Welfare Committee and Juvenile Justice Boards. Situation in the state remained tense with sporadic incidents of congregations of protesters but was under control during the last 24 hours between February 21 and 22 as per a report from Manipur Police Control Room. The report said, such operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts. It said movement of 110 vehicles along National Highway 37 with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. Meanwhile, a total of 141 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 233 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Already had a deal with Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party for 17 of Uttar Pradesh's 80 seats and one with Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party for 3 of Delhi's 7. The Congress had also reached out to Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool to restart talks that fell through last month after the Bengal Chief Minister refused to budge from her offer, 2 of the state's 42 seats. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Incessant rainfalls trigger landslides along National Highway 37, over 100 goods-laden trucks stranded. And rainy season adds to woes of internally displaced persons at Lemaram High School Relief Camp. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.